Alright, in this video I'm going to talk about the science of skin color. So basically, this for starters, skin color is affected by lots of genes. I'm not sure exactly how many, because not really anyone's sure, but it's just a lot. Also, it's also affected by UV light. What UV light is? Ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light is invisible light from the sun that could be harmful, but it also is a little helpful. Alright, so UV light can penetrate the human skin. It can also affect your DNA. If it affects your DNA, it could actually mutate it, which is really bad. What it would do is it could cause skin cancer. Skin cancer is bad because it's cancer. Also, to protect against this, your body can create something called melanin. Melanin is like a chemical in your body that goes like around your DNA to protect it. There are two types of melanin. Red melanin that is lighter and black melanin that is darker. The red one will cause you to have lighter skin and the darker one will cause you to have darker skin. Pretty simple. That's also melanin would affect your skin color because the more melanin you have, the darker your skin because it absorbs the UV light. But it's more common in places like Africa because there's higher UV intensity because it's closer to the equator. So the body has to adapt to that and become more tan. The reason why not all of us are dark skin is because there's something called UVB. What UVB does is allows your skin to absorb vitamin D. Vitamin D allows you to get calcium, which grows your bones strong. So near the equator, the vitamin D in the UVB is pretty easily absorbed through the dark skin. But away from the equator where there's a lot less UV intensity, it's not as easily absorbed. So people had to adapt to that and then evolved lighter skin so they could get more UVB so they don't suffer from a disease called rickets. In conclusion, humans get their skin color to protect from UV light. This is because UV light can harm them in many ways. Also, they get their skin color so they can absorb UVB, depending on where they are in the equator. If they're closer to the equator, they'll have darker skin so they can protect from UV light. But if they're away from the equator, they'll have lighter skin so they can absorb the UVB better so that they don't get rickets. Rickets is a disease that affects bones, and that's why people have lighter skin.